It's not always easy to sort out what you should be creating, keep on track with your projects, and stay inspired. Hi, I'm Chris, a former retail management professional turned full-time freelance artist and designer living in the desert. I love art and design, and I've been teaching creative classes on Skillshare since 2016. My specialty is demystifying processes into simple terms and helping students gain confidence in their own work, which I've done for thousands over the years. In this class, I'm going to show you a valuable process that artists and designers use around the globe. It has been a wonderful asset to me, and I think it could really help you get inspired, move past some creative block, and keep your projects moving. And that's with mood boards. This is a tool, and it's an art form all its own. That's why I believe it's so helpful to book illustrators, brand designers, and artists looking to build collections, and so many more. Mood boards are used to help clients visualize the projects that you have in mind for them. Art directors use a version of this called briefs sent to their artists, setting the tone for upcoming client work. But it's also an amazing way for you to gain clarity about your own projects. If you've taken some of my other classes, you might remember my Procreate Mood Boards class, where I show you how to easily create a mood board using the Procreate app on the iPad. Today, I'm going to show you the advantages of creating mood boards and show you how I would build one step by step with watercolors. We'll start with a theme, a color palette, and some subject matter. Then we'll add custom watercolor stickers and do some fun cut and paste collaging to polish it off. I've even created a workbook for you to keep you on track during the process. This class is for beginners to intermediate students who want to get their projects better organized and looking to break creative block, or just looking for a fun watercolor project. And you can even win a Skillshare badge just for watching this class. Ready to get started?